Kitchen tools. Whisk. The whisk beats the eggs until fluffy. Grater. The grater turns cheese into thin shreds. Spatula. The spatula flips the pancake perfectly. Colander. The colander drains the pasta quickly. Peeler. The peeler removes the carrot skin smoothly. Rolling pin. The rolling pin flattens the dough evenly. Strainer. The strainer filters the juice. Ladle. The ladle scoops up the hot soup. Tongs. The tongs lift the meat on the grill. Mortar and pestle. The mortar and pestle crush the spices into powder. Whisk. Grater. Spatula. Colander. Peeler. Rolling pin. Strainer. Ladle. Tongs. Mortar and pestle.